the evidence which was led in this matter, such evidence does not constitute new facts, the application for bail is hereby refused. This matter is no longer within our jurisdiction. It has been transferred, or it is noted as transferred to the regional court, Polokwane, on the 15th of May 2026.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, Shebeshit has been denied bail again, and it's for the third time now. So the Limpopo musician Lihlohonolo Chauke, also known as Shebeshit, was denied bail for the third time now by the Polokwane Magistrate Court on the 30th of April 2026. He will remain in custody. The magistrate ruled that the new facts presented, including the medical needs and financial issues, were not compelling, and the case has been transferred to the regional court for trial, and he will appear again on the 15th of May 2026. The people that were there attending the court case were just not having it. As you guys have seen in the video, they were so mad. They feel like Ushibeshit is not being treated equally, because when people apply for bail, they do get bail. But now, what about Ushibeshit? Like, even the facts that were made, the magistrate was like, those facts are not new facts. Like, it's things that we've been knowing, and it's things that we've been hearing all along my bail application Shebeshit. So he was not granted bail, guys. Oh, I do feel for him just a little bit nyana nje. Out of 100%, there's that 5% nyana that feels for him. But also, we need to remember the victims. People have been people have been through a lot because of Ushebeshit. Let's not forget that. Let us not forget that. Now, he is human, shame. He deserves a second chance. But I feel like he needs to serve his sentence. And then, yeah, we can forgive him after serving his sentence, and then he can just change to be a better human being. But nje, he needs to serve his sentence. Because, Susana, this guy, Haishem, he has a reputation. He has a reputation. Hayukdlala. But anyway, guys, please let me know what you think of this in the comment section down below. I will see you on my next one.